You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two brand names that are for the same molecule, medication, called Lisdexamfetamine. The top word or top name is Vyvanse, which is the brand name in the US, the United States, in the EU, in Europe. The brand name is Elvanse. Elvanse or Vyvanse for Lisdexamfetamine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.